Hi, I'm Drew.
And I'm Cathy.
And we're picking our Assabet.
Yay, back in the Assabet.
Assabet River, that is.
Yay.
Yay.
I see a little bottle here. I think it's a SELICK perfume. Yep. SELICK perfume, New York. Correct. We have enough good ones of these at home.
Found a jar lid. Not a canning jar, but more like a cosmetic jar or a pharmacy jar.
Yep. Oh, that's nice. I don't know if it'll fit anything we have, but that's nice.
I can't think of anything we have that needs a lid like this.
Yeah.
But if we have such a thing, I'll put a lid on it.
Yeah, put a lid on it.
Okay. I see something around. It might be a marble, or it might be something else trying to fool me. Let's see. It's a clay marble. A shooter.
Wow.
Clay shooter.
Yeah, clay shooter. Yep, that's definitely big for a clay marble. I think I see a button. I think. Yep. Glass button. Yay.
It might have another marble. Wow! It's bigger than the last one. It's another clay shooter. Bigger than the last one. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that.
Yay! Wow. Amazing.
Yeah. If that's all I find today, I'll be happy.
It looks like it has just a little trace of some paint on it.
I saw that.
Yep. Finding marbles is my job, but as long as I end up with them, I guess it's okay.
Yeah. You get all my marbles.
Yay. Yeah, you lost all your marbles.
Yeah. Lost them to you.
Now, I don't know if this is a marble or a ball. It's not squishy. I might have another marble. What do you think? Another clay marble?
I guess.
Yay!
Black. I don't know why. But
Yay!
hey, another marble.
Another marble. And they're all shooters.
How about that?
That's a pretty piece. I'll keep that.
This is what we call label space. We don't keep these. WB Worcester. Well, here it is cleaned up a little bit. It's a crown top, machine made. I have a really nice amber one at home. Don't know if we'll keep this one. This is the base of an early milk bottle. Thatcher Manufacturing Company. It looks like 14 or 11. That'll be 1911. Well, this would have been nice. Amber top to a large chemical bottle. I see a spoon. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a spoon. No, I don't think this one's silver. It's old. Not silver though.
Now this looks like a marble. Yay! Another marble!
Another marble?
It's marble day.
Wow. Wow, another marble. Look at that.
It's still got some of the paint on it, like magenta.
Wow. Yay, Cathy's got a marble.
Yay, it's marble day.
Yay, happy marble day.
Yay.
I see something big and round. No, it's just a rock. See a bottle. Slickeroni. Machine made. I don't know if we'll be taking this one.
This looks like a wine bottle. Oh, not the usual kind. It's old. I don't have any bottles yet, any keepers. I don't see any damage. I don't see any damage. I'll put this aside. Well, here's another chance for a milk bottle. Let's see. Well, it's embossed. HS holder. Looks okay. A holder milk bottle.
A holder milk bottle. Wow.
Yay.
No kidding.
Another holder milk bottle.
We got 2 boxes full in the basement we haven't cleaned yet.
Yeah, I know. But at least I found something embossed in whole.
Yeah, very good.
Been trying to get a whole embossed milk bottle for weeks.
You succeeded.
Yay.
PJ Ritter, Philadelphia.
Yeah, now is that a machine-made one or an old one?
Machine made.
Oh yeah, I can see the top. Yeah. Hair dryer? Wow, that would have been huge. Now, Drew just found a bracelet. Plastic. Another CD. Oh, it's some kind of Xbox thing. Final Fantasy 13. That sounds scary.
I have no idea. I don't mind.
No, Xbox. Whatever this is, I can already see it's cracked. So let's see. And it was only a GD Bill Marlboro. No big loss.
Cathy sees something. What is it? It's not a marble.
I thought it was a marble, but it's attached to a little bottle.
Wow! It's a star-shaped bottle
Oh,
with a hole in
with
the...
a hole in it. It's broken, but I'm going to take this anyway so I can research it. Find out what it was. I see a little bottle. Ah, and this has a hole in it.
The Hartshorn and Sons, Boston, Mass.
I have little ones. It looks different. It's too bad. Oh well. Is this really a horseshoe?
Yeah.
This is huge. I guess it is.
Foot find, found the milk. HS holder.
Yay. Well, at least you found a different size.
Yay, it's chipped.
Oh no.
That means we can't keep it. See the lip?
Yeah, I see it.
What are you disappointed about?
Because we don't have much for bottle finds today. I'm almost willing to settle for holder milk bottles.
Yeah.
Just a canning jar lid insert. Another one. Another horseshoe. Well, give me something else to carry around. Looks like another one of those colorful super balls. Rubber ball. Too bad it's not a marble. Too bad that is not a marble. But I'll take it. I see a deer head, I think. So it's not easy to pick up. Here it comes. Oh, I lost it. Ah, he's missing an ear and the rest of his body. But at least I got the head. Well, I just found the bottom half of a mouse or a rat figurine. Can I find something whole and nice before we leave?
Here's a piece of pottery you might like.
Oh, that would have been nice. Yeah, that's pretty. Yep. Wow. Button. Drew just found it. I think I see another marble. Yay, another clay marble.
Wow.
Wow. Yay. A good day for clay marbles. Drew sees a tiny bottle. I'm scooping it up. It's tiny. Yay. It's cute.
Okay.
Hi, Froggy. Hi, Froggy. Nice froggy. Turkeys. Dinner time.